Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 27. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Uses hydrochloric acid to break down bone. Osteoclast. The long central shaft of a bone is called the diaphysis. What is the part of a long bone called, where the bone starts getting wider on either end of the diaphysis? Metaphysis. What is the end of a bone? Epiphysis. The cavity that hangs out in the diaphysis region of a bone. Marrow cavity. Porous supportive structures found in the spongy bone. Tubercle. Hard, dense bone tissue that is beneath the outer membrane of a bone. Compact bone. Round part of the proximal end of the humerus. Head of the humerus. Larger bump beside the head on the proximal end of the humerus. Greater tubercle. Smaller bump on the proximal end of the humerus. Lesser tubercle. Groove of the proximal end of the humerus. Intertubercular groove. The large posterior depression on the distal end of the humerus. Olecranon Fossa. The smaller anterior depression on the distal end of the humerus. Coranoid Fossa. Located on the distal end of the humerus, on the same side as the head. Medial epicondyle. Located on the distal end of the humerus laterally. Lateral Epicondyle. A smooth, grooved, articular process shaped like a pulley. Trochlear. Looks like a smooth baby's head. Capitulum. Looks like a U located on the proximal end of the ulna. Semilunar or trochlear notch of the ulna. Small projection on the proximal end of the ulna. Coranoid process of the ulna. Larger projection on the proximal end of the ulna. Olecranon process. Stylus looking projection on the distal end of the ulna. Styloid process of ulna. Bone in forearm on the thumb side, larger in the proximal forearm. Radius. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Gabi. Bye bye for now.